Okay, so I was just doing some maintenance on the truck camper, and I discovered that there were no screws holding this marker light on the top of the truck camper to the truck camper. And same with this one here, no screws. The other three have screws though. They've got the square drive, looks like number 10 panhead screws, galvanized. So those all have it. And the caulk around them looks to be okay. And as far as I can tell, the caulk on this one seems to be okay. But this one here, I was washing the truck camper and I was looking at it, and all of a sudden I noticed that the marker light went like this with the brush. I've got a scrub brush, car washing brush on a pole, so I noticed that the marker light tilted forward, so I figured, uh-oh, better check that out. So anyway, I climbed up here, popped the amber cover off, and lo and behold, there's no factory screws on it. So okay, and then also it had what looks like plumber's putty under it, and that's all pretty much hardened up now. So I do have some extra plumber's putty I'll put under there, and then I'm going to put some Dicor on it and seal it up. Just clean off the caulk on these edges here and make it good again. Okay, so I'll get back. What's this extra hole here for? Gee, I tell ya. Okay, yeah, let me get on it. Then I just polished and waxed my bubble window. Got to do that every month or so to keep it from getting cloudy. Okay. Okay, and there you go. I got it cleaned up, put some screws in there, put some Dicor around it. Good as new. Actually better than new because now it has screws on it. This one here, I just put screws in. The caulk was still sealed, no indication of any cracking in the caulk. So we just put our covers back on. One more to go. And we are done. So there you go, just cleaned it up, put some Dicor on there, screw it down lightly until you're getting compression, but don't screw in too tight because the backing is not right up to the Phylon or fiberglass skin. So if you start torquing it down or tightening it down, it can indent the skin, and you don't want that. So just tighten it down to where it seats, the caulk comes out, and the screws are seated, and that's all the tighter you need. And then seal everything up. The screw heads are sealed onto the body, cleaned out all the lenses. The light bases have a gutter or a rim built in around them to divert water from getting in. So we are good to go.